Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the outer flail housing on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 1/2-inch wrench and socket, a 7/16-inch wrench and socket, needle nose pliers, and a small flathead screwdriver. Use the 1/2-inch wrench to secure the bolts and the 1/2-inch socket to unthread the nuts, securing the hopper assembly support plate to the impeller housing. Using the 1/2-inch socket, unthread the 6 mounting nuts securing the front of the hopper assembly to the housing. With the nuts unthreaded, tilt the hopper assembly back and lift up to fully detach the assembly from the bolts. Remove the shredder plate. Next, unthread the 2 retaining knob screws, securing the bottom of the discharge chute. Use the 7/16-inch wrench to secure the chute's mounting bolt. Then use the 7/16-inch socket to fully unthread the nut. Slide out the bolt. Detach the chute and remove the 2 spacers. Use the needle nose pliers to pull out the retaining pin, securing the shredder screen pin, and slide the pin out. Next, use the 1/2-inch socket, the small flathead screwdriver, and the needle nose pliers to remove the upper mounting screws, securing the outer flail housing. With the tow bar installed, tip the chipper shredder back and set a weight on the tow bar to hold it down. Now, using the 1/2-inch socket and the 1/2-inch wrench, remove the 10 remaining nuts and bolts securing the outer housing to the inner housing. With all the nuts and bolts uninstalled, fully remove the old outer flail housing and set the shredder screen aside. To prepare the new outer flail housing for installation, transfer the U-nut from the old housing to the new one. Now reposition the shredder screen in the inner flail housing as you align the new outer housing. Thread and tighten the 10 nuts and bolts to secure. Rethread the 2 upper mounting screws using the speed clips. Remove the weight and return the chipper shredder to its upright position. Slide the shredder screen pin through the impeller housing and screen. Insert the retaining pin to secure. Realign the discharge chute on the impeller housing and insert the spacers. Insert the mounting bolt, then thread and tighten the nut. Fully position the chute, then thread and tighten the retaining knob screws. Realign the shredder plate on the 6 impeller housing bolts. Reinstall the hopper assembly by aligning the support plate on the 2 upper mounting bolts first. Then rotate the assembly to align it on the impeller housing bolts. Thread and tighten all 8 mounting nuts to secure. We recommend hand threading the nuts first, then using the socket to tighten once all the nuts are in place. The chipper shredder should now be ready for use.